Bread for the World did something phenomenal. We helped save Medicaid for low-income Americans. My daily work routine at Bread for the World depends on your daily advocacy. As part of the discussions around the American Health Care Act last month, it was my job to talk to members of Congress about how cutting Medicaid would increase hunger among those most vulnerable in our society. And that job was made so much easier by your compassion and activism. As America watched the healthcare debate unfold, you stayed laser focused on how cuts to Medicaid meant more people would go hungry. Because of your calls, prayers, emails, visits to town halls, and activism, millions of Americans do not have to make the terrible decision between whether or not they purchase food or medicine, including my brother. If the American Health Care Act had passed, my brother would have lost affordable health insurance. That health insurance makes it possible for him to get the medicine he so desperately needs. And for that and for many other reasons, I am thankful for you. I'm thankful that for you, the personal is political. On the day the American Health Care Act was going to be voted on, I spent all day with Catholic, Jewish, and Protestant coalition partners urging members of Congress to protect Medicaid for the most vulnerable. Each time I introduced myself and stated that I worked for Bread for the World, I heard in response, "Oh, we know Bread for the World. We've been getting calls from your members all day." I want you to know that it was your activism that helped save Medicaid for millions of Americans, from New York to Ohio, Iowa, California, and Michigan. It was you. At Bread for the World, we know that advocacy works. We know that members of Congress are influenced by public outcry and constituent concerns. Further, we understand that without your advocacy efforts, our efforts on Capitol Hill are weakened. We always need your support. In the coming months, we do expect to see continued attacks on programs that help the most poor and vulnerable in our nation and throughout the world. We must face these attacks the same way we face the attacks on Medicaid, with compassion, prayer, and activism. Each and every day, I am excited to go to work because I fully believe it is my honor and privilege to represent you on Capitol Hill. Thank you, and I'm really excited to meet all of you on Lobby Day.